We have here a sponsored kit. Yup, and this is the very first ever sponsored kit on my entire YouTube life, or as a YouTuber or a Gunpla builder and a Gunpla vlogger. Yeah, and this is from Snapfit Collectibles. Yep, and yeah, your source for top quality third-party model kits. Fuel your passion at Snapfit Collectibles. Yeah, have here, and this is the kit that they have sent to me, and this is your ZGMF X20A Strike Freedom. Yeah, as you can see that. Oh, it's the Freedom, man. But yeah, as I know, this Freedom is from the Titi Hongli or the Gao Gao. Yeah, it's the